Hey guys, welcome back to Monique's House of Creations. And today we're going to be doing mirror wall art decor. And I'm just starting off by using some large craft sticks from the Dollar Tree. And that foam board is from the Dollar Tree. I cut it out going with the mirror I purchased from the Dollar Tree, round mirror. And I think I did a border 2 inches out from that. So right now I'm just going to just do the craft sticks around, which I pre-measured to go on the outside. That's where I'm going to be putting my mirror tiles at, on the craft sticks. And the round mirror that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree is going in the center of that. So right here I'm just basically getting my craft sticks all around the foam board and making sure they're even. And right here I'm going in with my clear school glue purchased from the Dollar Tree and my black crushed glass that I ordered online through IKEA. They had other colors, but I was drawn to the black because that is definitely my go-to color. I see a lot of DIYers actually using the clear school glue to apply crushed glass over the Mod Podge. And it does work, and it does not leave any extra residue, or you don't see any extra residue. It dries clear. And on top of that, I do go behind it and use glitter, black glitter, extra fine glitter which I purchased from Walmart. So this is basically like one of the easiest mirrored wall art that I have done. I did it like in one day. When it usually when I do wall art, I have to come back to it, and it'll take maybe, depending on how many different elements I'm using, glitter or gems or bling wrap, or paint. It really depends on what type of wall art is being done. But this was pretty quick because to the glass, crushed glass, I basically, when everything dried, I used the fan just to rush. And even with the application with the Mod Podge and the glitter, again, use the fan. And this was done in like a day. But it took me maybe the next day. I think I hung it up. I don't think I hung it up the same day, but I did finish it in a day. So that was like real good and quick for me. And there I am with the mirrored tile. And it's actually easy to take the mirrors off of that because they have it on this net type of material, and then some black, and that's like stuck together, and then they have tape. So once you get it off of the black piece with the mesh, it's still going to be like some tape And the tape is just really basically easy to come off. That's when it gets easy, and you can just, it's like actually a peel and stick, if you will, but just maybe just a little bit more harder to get the tiles up. And there I am adding the mirrors. Later on, I do decide to just go for it and add in more in between the craft sticks that I do have. The only reason why I really didn't want to, I was on the fence with, because of the weight, because these are actually, like, these tiles are thick, and with, as you can see with how I'm using it, with just, if I would have just do it like that, it would have probably been good. But being that I added more mirrors on, which you'll see later on in the video, it made it's heavy. It's heavy. So that was the only thing I was really nervous about. But I did reinforce all of the craft sticks. Yeah, I just felt this, let me just, make them like this. Will probably be a little bit more quicker than the way I was doing it the first round of mirrors I did. This came out to be a little bit more quicker, and that's me just reinforcing so there won't be any like bend back or like hanging it up or anything. So that made it much better when I did that. And I do put another piece of foam board on top of that, and that's basically, yeah, I just wanted that to sit overnight, and that's why it was hung the next day, just to make sure that everything was dry. And yeah, that's it. So I felt real comfortable after that once I saw that. And that's it. There it is. I love it. So guys, thanks for watching the video. You can drop a comment in the comment box. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Much love.